Kaspa investors are going to retire early, and I'm going to show you that in this very video. And also, Bitcoin is making a new move to the upside. I believe before next week's CPI, we should see a significant move in the price of BTC from this very zone of rejection to where the market is right now. So all of this in this very video. Watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Caspa is one of the best proof of work coin, okay, that you can find out there in the market that will do very, very well in the heat of the bull market. And if you want to retire early, I believe Caspa is one of the coins you need to hold in your portfolio and buy right now. In one of my videos, I told you I want to tell you the exact price I'll be buying Caspa as a result of this very decline, because you need to buy when the price is low, and if the price goes lower, we are going to buy more in anticipation that in the heat of the bull market is going to move all the way to the upside. So there is no need buying when the market has already hit $1 or $3 or $5, as the case may be, in the heat of the bull market. So the best time to buy is now. So in this video, let me just go through the exact point I want to start buying Caspa, okay, and how I'll be buying it. And this very area of support is an important level of support, as you can see at the moment. And from here, this level is the first point of buying, okay. I'm going to buy more Caspa, but I'm going to divide it into two portions. So from here, I'm going to buy more, half, that's 50% of what I want to use in buying. And if the market drop back down into this very area of important support, because we see rejection from this very area. And if you notice, this very point is the exact point we have this very level of support and resistance at this very area. So this point is very, very important in the market, okay. So we have a very important level of resistance at this very point right here. We have another resistance right here, and the market rejection from this very point of support, which is a clear indication that the market have capacity of moving from this very area. What that means is, so as I'm buying with 50% from this very point, I will wait in case the market drop back down. I'm going to buy with another 50% from this very area of support as well. So my first point of buying Caspa, which is an addition to what I already have in my portfolio, is where the market is right now. I am going to buy with 50%, and if the market come back down, I'm going to buy more with the remaining 50% at this very point. And like I said, this point is an important level of support, which was previous resistance at this very area. So this very zone is an important zone we need to watch right now for Caspa. Okay, so from here, 50%, it drops to this very zone, 50% on my Caspa position. And this is very, very important right now, guys. And like I told you, I already have Caspa in my portfolio and in thousands, and this very token is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. So if you want to retire early, Caspa is one of the coin which is below $1 that you can get into your portfolio right now as we speak, okay. And if you are using $1,000 to buy Caspa, let's say for example you want to use $1,000 or 500 to buy at the first buy, which is 50%. So $1,000, okay, divide by where the market is right now of 0.160, okay. So if you divide this by 0.160, okay, so this is still below $1. This is the quantity of Caspa you're going to have in your portfolio. So this will be an addition to what you already have in your portfolio. So you can still use $500 as the case may be, or throw $20 in here or $50, okay, depending on your capacity. So if you use $500, you're going to have this quantity of Caspa in your portfolio. So let's say for example you're using the $1,000 to buy Caspa right now at the current market price of 0.160. Okay, and this is the quantity you're going to have. And like I've been talking about on this very channel, I am expecting Caspa to do up to 20, 25 and to $30 per Caspa in the heat of the bull market. So if you multiply this by what the prediction should be, or what I am expecting from my own prediction based on the data I have already gathered from on-chain and off-chain analysis, this is what you're going to have in the heat of the bull market if you are buying right now, okay, from this very area as the first buy. And if market drop back down, you buy more. This is $156,000, and this is going to retire you guys. Okay, remember, if market drop down, I personally am going to buy more into my portfolio and wait for that very aggressive move to begin to come into the market. So the best time to buy Caspa for retirement is at this very point, 50%. And if the market come back down to this very area, I'm going to buy another 50%, and I am done for Caspa in this very bull market. All I need to do next is to wait for the market to begin to have that aggressive pump to the upside in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So this is very important right now, guys, and pay attention to this on your Caspa chart. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have seen the market drop back down, and from this very point, market move up and then come back down a little bit. This is a sign that market have capacity of moving to the upside once we break this resistance trend line. So market is going to move to the upside on Caspa 4-hour chart, which is not a long-term look. If you want to have a long-term perspective, you go to the 1-day chart and also the 1-week and 1-month chart on Caspa specifically for investors. And on the Bitcoin chart right here, from here, I believe markets have capacity of moving to the upside. And the reason is because we've already created a new low. Okay, we have a low right here, another low at this point, and then another low at this very area. Okay, so market is making sequential new lows, which means from here, market should move all the way to the upside. And remember, next week is the CPI data from the United States, which means it will impact on the market. So market can stay within this very boundary before that very movement to the upside, or before the CPI data. From here, market is going to move all the way to the upside. We have a very strong resistance trend line. Okay, if the market did not break this very resistance trend line, then there is no need of thinking about that aggressive pump in the market. So from this very zone, I am expecting that before we have that very aggressive pump in the crypto market, okay, Bitcoin price should cross this very zone of important resistance. Break this resistance trend line first of all, and then break this zone of resistance as well. And from here, expect the market to move upward, okay, in the next coming days, approaching the CPI data, from where we have this very spike of $49,000 from here, and where the market is right now. Market have capacity of coming back down and still move all the way to the upside. But within this very zone, market is going to move upward on Bitcoin. This is very, very important, and pay attention to this very analysis right now. And something very important on the 1-month chart, I'm going to show you right here. If you notice 1-month chart BTC USDT, something very important with the stochastic indicator is that something happened around this very area in 2019. Market moved upward, approaching the 2021 bull market. So into 2021, we see a little bit of decline, okay, from this very area, and the market come back down on the RSI indicator, that is stochastic RSI. Market come back down before that move upward. I believe this exact same thing we are seeing right now in the market. Okay, market move upward. Okay, this one created a new high and then a little decline to the downside, and the market will begin to move upward. What that means is this very indicator is not going to come all the way to the downside into the oversold condition. The possibility is there, but that is not what I'm expecting. I am expecting that it play out the same way, okay, we see right here in the past. So from this very point, market begin to move gradually to the upside after a crossover on the 1-month chart. Remember, this is BTC USDT 1-month chart at this very point. So exact same thing is what I am looking at right now on this very chart. market is coming back down. Once we see a crossover on the 1 month chart, just know that that aggressive pump that everybody's waiting for in the market is coming right in without wasting time. Okay, and as we approach the ending of this very year, I believe Fed is going to cut interest rate, which will further juice the fact that the market is going to move all the way to the upside after a crossover on the stochastic RSI on BTC 1 month chart, Bitcoin 1 month chart. This is very important, guys. So pay attention to this, and this will further help your investment decision on Bitcoin. So if you want to retire early, consider buying Caspa right now at this very price. 50%, it drops right down. You buy another 50% into your portfolio for the next aggressive move to the upside. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification if you like content like this. And don't forget to check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.